Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Pauline, and for today's video, medyo kakaiba ang gagawin natin. Today is a product review day, and the product that we are going to review is my Ololly PH. I've received a PR package coming from Ololly PH, and if you've noticed, medyo kakaiba yung background natin. So I'm currently on the rooftop of the condo that I'm staying in, and I just finished my workout. So I want to be authentic as much as possible on this product review. So I want to do it normally how I do my day. But the only difference is we're going to use Ololly PH when I do my shower. So if you've noticed, medyo jabar-jabar ako ngayon, hagard-hagard. This is how my hair looks like after doing my workout. Here. So, medyo greasy sa taas and then dry ang baba. So, when you use like a hair treatment or a conditioner, when you put it on all over your head, usually ang nangyayari, medyo greasy yung taas, but medyo dry pa din yung baba. So, let's see if Ololly PH could like target or could fix that. Like, I'm looking forward to see if it will give my hair life. Hindi siya greasy sa taas, like hindi siya limp, meron siyang volume. Replenish niya yung dulo ng hair ko, which is the dry part. And then I'm not going to use hair iron on my hair. I'm just going to air dry it and then show it to you guys later. So that's the agenda that we have for today. So let's see if it's going to work. But before that, I just want to show you how my hair looks like. So kakagising ko lang, I work out, and ganito ang itsura niya usually. So, soaking wet yung hair ko. Nag-shower na ako. I shampooed my hair. I've used a sulfate-free shampoo. And I did not put any conditioner. So, we will be using this Ololly Good Locks Nourishing Hair Mask. And the package with this, a scalp massager, and this, I love this. This is so pretty. Shower cap. So, I love the shower cap. Actually, have been planning to buy a shower cap. Pero gusto ko yung ganito, diba? Parang ang bongga. Parang, diba sa atin, ang luxurious ng feel ng dating. I'll be showing you the price on the screen kasi hindi ko siya kabisado. Just these products on their Shopee shop. And it's also available on their FB page. So, you can follow that. And on their Instagram account. And kahit ganito itsura ko, i-announce ko na. So, Ololly is very generous to give us one additional PR package that I'll be giving away on this video. I'll be discussing the details on how you can get a free PR package. Just make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video. We have freebies. Come on, diba? Sabi sa instruction, wet your hair and squeeze out excess water. Tapos, optional, shampoo your root area only with sulfate-free shampoo. So, I already did that. Okay, so start on the ends, going to the mid-shaft of your hair. And then, use the scalp massager to spread the product na lang sa may banda. Putting the product on my hair now with you guys. So, let's do a big reveal. So, ganyan siya. Gano'n ba ito kadami? So, 100 ml siya. And then, yung texture niya is very conditioner-like. And it has this melon cucumber scent. Bango! What I'll just do later is time-lapse. Para talagang makita nyo kung ano itsura niya. So, hindi ko gagamitan to ng plancha or anything. I'll do a time-lapse with you guys para makita talaga natin kung ano yung end result. And one thing that I love about this product is sulfate-free, paraben-free, which is the one that I was advocating. So, Ololly contacted me to do this collab for the PR package. They've put on the details kung ano yung ingredients ng product nila. And then when I saw that it says sulfate-free, paraben-free, I immediately agreed because that's what I have been advocating. Yan ko na yung mid and ends ng hair ko. So, I'll be putting some on the top part. Yan. And then, what we'll do is we're going to use this scalp massager. So, kasama to dun sa package. So, we're just going to brush it on our scalp. So, this process will help the blood flow on your scalp and spread the product natin. So, hindi over greasy yung top part ng head mo ng product. And it's evenly distributed and it also help with the blood circulation sa scalp para talaga namang shine, babavoom ang iyong hair. This is what's left. So, I think this is good for 3 to 4 use. Probably, for this kind of length ng buhok. So, medyo mahaba kasi yung buhok ko. Tsaka, ano ako maglagay generous talaga ako maglagay. Ayoko nang tinitipid yung product since talaga namang intense sa mga pinagdadaanan ng buhok ko. So, kailangan niya talaga ng matinding treatment. Hindi pwedeng tipid-tipid tayo. Minsan-minsan lang naman to cover my hair with the shower cap and then leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. There. Shower cap. Look how pretty the shower cap is. I love it. There. So, gagamitin ko din tong shower cap na to pag matutulog ako. Kasi usually kapag nagtulog ako, kasi nagkikis-kis yung hair ko sa unan. And then kapag ganun-ganon, so parang nagagasgas yung buhok ko. So, I have been planning to buy this kind of shower cap. Good thing nakasama na siya sa Oh My Lolly na package. You can put oil and cover your hair and then have a good hair in the morning. So, we'll leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes and then we're going to rinse it. So, if we're going to leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes, I think that this is suitable to do every week. Kasi kung ikaw yung type na person na very busy, like pag nag-shower ka, kailangan mabilisan, you might not have the enough time to babad it for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'll see you guys in 10 to 20 minutes after ko siyang banlawan. Okay, so nag-wash ko na yung hair ko and this is how it looks right after washing it. So, super soft and straight ng hair ko. So, what I'll be doing is patutuyuin ko to and I'll do a time lapse para talagang makita nyo na walang daya. Hindi ko gagamitan ng plancha or anything like that. So, ganito dapat ang pag-brush ng hair. So, start ka muna sa baba. Dahan-dahan pataas. Grabe. Ang smooth ng hair ko. There. So, ang dali lang niya suklayin. This one. Let's do the same. Siya. Very soft. And walang hair fall. No hair fall. I love it. I'll let it air dry. And then, I'll do a time lapse para makita niyo talaga na unti-unti siyang natutuyo. And then, I'll show you the final result later. So, for the time-lapse, I'll use my other phone kasi baka mapuno yung memory nito. I'll be back! Hi guys, so this is the final result of the hair mask that we did earlier. So as you can see, very straight ng hair ko, very shiny. And the one thing that I was really looking for is if it could nourish the ends of my hair, which it did. Ganda naman siya. And may volume naman sa taas. Hindi naman limp yung buhok ko sa taas. I love it and I love the scent. So, if you would like to try this out, me and Oh My Lolly PH will be giving away 1 PR package to one of you who's watching right now. So, if you would like to receive the PR package, just make sure to follow my Facebook page, Oh Lolly PH Facebook page, follow my Instagram account, and Oh My Lolly PH Instagram account para makontak namin kayo kung saan namin papadala yung product. That's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you again next week for another video. I love you guys.